Focusing on the tertiary education, the pandemic has restricted the usual face-to-face academic activities by totally relying on the online distance learning, the ODL, through the online virtual platform, the OVP. The question is, how effective this ODL and OVP give impact to the practical base costs such as the industrial design? Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Adiputra. Due to the pandemic, until now, the academicians are still struggling in delivering the course content and assessing the student output, even though many OVP has been introduced in the ODL previously. Based on the interviews with a few lecturers in the School of Design and Innovative Technology, UNIZA, the common OVP in their TNL are such as Google Classroom, Moodle, Microsoft Teams, VRDEX, and so on. While this OVP option has deemed useful in connecting and providing a virtual meeting platform with the students, however, this OVP might have some limitation towards assessing some practical based costs, particularly for the subject in the industrial design course. Let us hear feedback from the academician.
There are few tools I've been using throughout the year. Sometimes I will use Clip or Moodle that is available in the university. Talk about studio classes. There are different things where we cannot be there and apply some of the haptic methods. We cannot assess the physical works. Everything is digital and online, and everything is in video.
Sesi pengajaran dan pembelajaran ataupun PDP sepenuhnya dalam talian. Di dalam kursus projek, pelajar perlu menterjemahkan idea mereka bentuk mereka di dalam produk final yang tangible ataupun fizikal. Terdapat kekangan dari pihak pelajar untuk menterjemahkan idea mereka sepenuhnya di pihak pensyarah untuk menilai dengan lebih teliti hasil akhir pelajar seperti scale, size, dimension, color, texture dan sebagainya.
The industrial design is one of the courses that relies on the practical learning from the idea generation to the prototype production. Usually, the output from the student will be assessed through pitching or exhibition. But due to the pandemic, the restriction of this type of assessments limiting us with the use of the current OVP. From our research, the problem with the current OVP towards the project-based assessment are such as no real-time communication, no active proposal defense, and no immersive product pitching. Furthermore, the passive product presentation through common OVP doesn't give a dynamic view of the presented product to the public or external panel, unlike the real-life exhibition. We identified that the extended reality or XR technology are well suited for the criteria. To be precise, we are focusing on the usage of the VR for the assessment and exhibition. From the literature, the VR technology as a medium for exhibition has been existed in other countries. In Malaysia, we do have various virtual galleries such as Bank Negara Virtual Gallery, but not as similar as in the definition of a VR gallery for the study, and there wasn't any specific guideline and module for VR-based assessment or exhibition. Thus, based from the literature, the past observation and the interviews from the stakeholders, we have developed the VRDEX module. The VRDEX module is a specific guideline and flow for industrial design project assessment and exhibition that has been created in mind that the stakeholders can access the virtual world anywhere at any time and enable a real-life like pitching presentation. The VRDEX module consists of 4 stages of activities: the preparation, the management, the assessment, and the dissemination. The stakeholders in this module is the students, the academician, the external judging panel, and the public. As for the exhibition, in the preparation and management stages, students will prepare the related project contents as such the presentation panel, the digital 3D prototype, animation, virtual exhibition spaces, and etc. While the academician will facilitate them on the conversion of the content of the VR world. Later, during the dissemination and the assessment stages, the external judging panel will enter the prepared virtual venue for the live online assessment, and the feedback is given. The same goes for the public, whereas the exhibition will happen after the assessment. The public can enter the virtual venue based on the links given to them. This VRDEX assessment and exhibition requires the stakeholders to enter the VR venue using the VR head-mounted display or HMD for full immersive experience, or they're also able to join through their personal computer. This module has been tested on a group of final year industrial design students in their exhibition called Exit 2021, which have been launched by the UNIZA Vice Chancellor Dato Hassan Basri on the 11th February 2021. For your information, the Exit 2021 has claimed the first industrial design students VR exhibition in Malaysia. Let's hear the feedback from the students about the VR exhibition.
Sebelum ni kalau kita tengok exhibition dengan assessment kita buat secara face to face. Kaedah VR ni adalah the closest things yang kita boleh dapat yang hampir sama dengan apa yang kita buat sebelum ni secara fizikal. So dalam masa yang sama dia adalah lebih interaktif dan lebih imersif lah dari segi presentation ataupun exhibition itu sendiri.
Exhibition melalui VR ini adalah amat sesuai sekali digunakan oleh pelajar mereka bentuk untuk menunjuk hasil produk atau projek mereka melalui virtual reality atau VR.
Model yang tangible mengeluarkan kos yang banyak untuk sesuatu tangible produk. Dari segi exhibition pula kita akan mengeluarkan kos yang agak banyak juga. Kita kena set up tempat hall yang besar, kita kena sewa. So saya rasa amat sesuai lah teknologi VR ni.
Sesuai sangat-sangat sebab first kita dalam pandemik. So dalam pandemik dia ada banyak limitation. VR ni kita buat 3D model je. So kita buat dalam bilik, dalam rumah, depan komputer je. Bagi saya jalan yang paling terbaik lah untuk buat exhibition macam sekarang ni.
From this preliminary study, it is found that the VR technology is feasible as an alternative mode of assessment and immersive exhibition without having to worry about the effect of the pandemic. In future, we are looking forward developing an application based on the module to make it easier for the students and the academicians to create the VR exhibition contents. We agree that there were some challenges to opt for this type of assessment and exhibition, given that the availability and the cost of the device and the stability of the internet connection in Malaysia. But in the near future, we believe the challenges can be overcome with the continuous effort by the collaboration of the stakeholders and the government. The module is also applicable not only for the specific course, but can be applied to other courses as well. Until then, stay safe, keep strong, and kita jaga kita.